Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be guiding you on how to connect your Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S to the Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. So by the end you should be able to play all of your Xbox games in a huge screen on the Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S. And yes, this is not going to be through Xbox Cloud Gaming on the Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S. So you're basically not going to be needing a Game Pass subscription. But of course, for this, you'll be needing your Xbox Series S or Series X console as well. Okay, so over here, I do have my Xbox Series S console. But if you have the Series X, it is also going to work out pretty well for you. And there I have my Meta Quest 3S. And this is actually going to work out for the Meta Quest 3 as well. Now, the first thing we are going to be needing is a HDMI to HDMI cable like this one over here. Where if you think we can directly just connect this HDMI cable from our Xbox console directly to the Meta Quest 3S, maybe using an adapter like this one over here to just connect it to the Meta Quest 3S, then no, it will not work this way. What we need is some sort of capture card like this one over here. Now, this is actually a HDMI to USB or USB-C capture card. However, you should keep in mind that not every capture card would work for this. After doing a couple of research from Meta's official website, for your capture card to work, first, it has to conform to USB audio UAC standard. And again, it has to conform to USB video and UVC standard. Now you can see that my capture card actually supports all of these. There are a couple of brands that actually do this job very well. An example is the Ugreen capture card. And basically, I'm going to be leaving a link to all of these in the description of this video in case you want to get it. And over here is mine. You can literally see how it looks like. So with your capture card now, you want to go ahead and get your HDMI to HDMI cable. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on the capture card like so, and then connect this other end to the HDMI port on your Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. And now finally, we can now connect the USB-C part of our capture card to the USB-C port on the Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S over here. But before you do that, we want to first of all make sure we download a particular software into our Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S. So go ahead and put on your headset. Okay, so on your Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S, what you want to do is to just tap on the Meta logo to open up this menu. And at the bottom navigation bar, you want to make sure that you go to your apps library, which is over here, select on it. And then here you should be able to find the Metal Store. Go ahead and select on it as well. Now from the Metal Store, you want to come over to the search bar at the top, then search for the HDMI link app. So you can see the app suggestion over here. Select on this app and then make sure you also download and install it into your Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S. At this point, you can go ahead and now connect the USB-C part of your capture card into the USB-C port on your Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S. And as soon as you connect it, you should get a pop-up like this asking you to open up your connected device using the HDMI link app. So you want to go ahead and select HDMI link. In my case, I'll just select on the just once option from over here. And now you want to also adjust your camera settings. I recommend you check all of the options from over here. Click on allow, click on this, click on allow. And then finally, at the bottom, you also want to adjust your capture video frame format. You can go ahead and use the maximum format you want. However, keep in mind that if you set your FPS to 60, sometimes you might actually be having some delay or lag when playing your Xbox games on the Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S. So I recommend you go ahead and set it to 30, except you do have a very good capture card. Then once you're done, you want to tap on the start streaming option at the bottom over here. And automatically you can see my Xbox screen. I'll just go ahead and adjust this to make it a little smaller, like so. To also show clearly what is happening, I will just go ahead and put my Meta Quest 3S on pass-through mode, just like so. You can see the big screen now in my living room. And if I go ahead and get my Xbox controller, you can see it is working pretty well and there is absolutely no form of lag. And I can also go ahead and play the Fortnite game from over here. Let's just have some gameplay. Okay, so over here you can see some gameplay and you can see that there is absolutely no input lag. So I can actually comfortably play my Xbox games on the Meta Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3S, and this works absolutely well. If this video was helpful, please let me know and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.